Hello, hello. Good morning, everybody. How are you? Sorry, I'm like 2 minutes late. I like to be on the dot, but I don't know why I was having issues with YouTube because I haven't changed anything. It should be that when you do uh, a live stream, right? Like it should just be the same settings and not change it. So yeah, I'm not sure what happened there. But anyways, good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope that you're fantastic, doing well, that you're working, that you're doing everything you can do to do your best of the best every single day. It's been quite interesting here, as usual. So, yeah, let's get started. So, first of all, let's go with the problems. Problems. Isn't that amazing? So, in our case, as usual, working here in Stellargate, as you may all know, as a developer, I have my fair views in problems. So, I've been basically coding on ICP, and it's been really great. I really like it, but I've had many issues, and the worst part about this is that you may test things on local, like if let's say you're running a program and you want to test it locally first, um, it works. Let's say it works, right? But then you put it on mainnet, and for whatever reason, it just doesn't work anymore. And so that's my problem right now, to the point where I'm thinking like, should I just roll back and forget about all the updates that I've done? Because thankfully, you can save your how you call this, your progress, right? You upload your progress and you save it. But like now, I actually didn't think about saving this one because I was like, yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to deploy it on mainnet. I deployed it on mainnet and I kind of didn't save it, so it's like, what to do? So yeah, anyways, that's my problem right now, and I've been trying to fix that problem since yesterday. And the worst part is that this has absolutely nothing to do with contracts, but it has absolutely everything to do with front end. So it's basically like, how do you package correctly your website so that it pops up for people to be able to use it? And so yeah, that has been quite a challenge. I've been just there, trying to do my best, but it is what it is, right? So yeah, that's been kind of like on my mind since yesterday. I worked on Lena a little bit too, because of the problems that I was having yesterday. I also worked a little bit on the government contract. Like as usual, just having problems with regards to logic, basically, and trying to make sure that I make it as efficient as possible. Testing as much as I can, trying to make sure that it works. So uh, those have basically been my problems. Not really much of an update. Other than that, if I were to talk about it personally, I think has been a little bit like non-stop automatic. Like, I don't know how you guys are, but sometimes when I work, I just become like super automatic and I do things super quick, super quick, and it's just like crazy because I did like so much in like 2 days that I think should have taken more than maybe a week or 2 weeks, right? So yeah, I would say other than that, maybe I just need to eat healthier. Like I said, I've been coding this entire time. So if you're a coder, sometimes you know that you like something so much, you just don't wanna get out of your chair. So you just keep on doing, and then things just kind of go away, and then you just forget. Like I forget to drink water or eat sometimes, and it's just bad. So I think I'm gonna have to put a reminder. Maybe with Lena, I can get a reminder like every single day. Hey, make sure you eat at this hour. Make sure that you drink your water at this hour, so I don't have any issues with that. Talking about Lena, actually, so I guess we can go now into the present, since really the main problem, as I mentioned, was just basically trying to deploy the freaking front end on that canister that I'm not sure why the heck. I mean, I did deploy the front end. That's not the problem, actually. The problem is connecting with something called Internet Identity, which is like a MetaMask wallet, basically. and for whatever reason, I have no idea why it just doesn't want to do it. And I put logs and everything, and the logs are, it's just like you put a log to try and find out what the problem is, and it should help you. But like, imagine that you put a log to find out what the problem is, and it doesn't even pop up. Like, that's my problem right now. Like, not even the first part of the script works. Like, I put a log all the way to the top to even understand if it's actually deploying it, and it just doesn't seem like it is doing anything because I get absolutely nothing. So yeah, I'm just trying to figure out, like, maybe my packager is just not right. So, I don't know. It's just weird things on mainnet. That's all I gotta say. Cause local, it works on local. So yeah, man, I don't know what to say about that. I just hope I fix it today. So we'll see. So anyways, coming to the present, and what I've been doing. So I woke up super early today. I slept again like 5 to 6 hours. I think that's the typical me, anyways. Every single day I sleep like 5 to 6, and yeah, I woke up with like good energy, like nothing bad to be honest. And I went directly straight up to coding because I don't know, I don't get angry. I don't get angry. Yeah, no, I mean, I don't get angry, but I don't get hungry when I wake up for whatever reason. So I just went directly to work. Like, I woke up, I was like, oh, time to work. So I went directly to work, and like, yeah, I've been coding the front end all this time. I fixed like a couple things. And just trying to visualize what the problem is basically with the whole front end deployment on ICP. Just kind of reading at things and then just like watching news and stuff. So yeah, I think that has been my present. Like, there's not much time, like literally from when I wake up, because it's, what time is it now? It's like 8 a.m. on my end. So it's like 8:09. So I woke up around what? Is it like, trying to remember, is it like 5 or 6, I think? Yeah, I woke up around 5 or 6, and like, I only had 3 hours, but it felt like I've been working for a day already. Like, if you saw me sitting down, like, I'm with my mouse on my keyboard, I'm like going, oh my god, I need to like do this. I'm like, I'm just like going through everything as fast as I can. Like, I message people, like, my day is literally like code really fast. Look what the problem is. All right, did somebody message me? All right, answer quickly. Okay, I come back. Okay, and oh, I forgot, I do have another problem. My problem now is actually something called cycles. So when I deploy the canisters, I waste around 3 trillion. That is right, it's 3 trillion cycles on ICP. And I was like, man, how can I get more cycles? Because I'm out. Like, I don't have any more. And so I think someone's gonna send me. He's very kind to send me cycles because I don't know. I don't know how to do any of that. So I'm still learning. So yeah, I talked with another developer from ICP who was telling me I can burn a canister, and I'm not at that level yet where I'm gonna burn a canister. Plus, I gotta present it tomorrow, so it's not like, yeah, it's not like I can just burn the canister and then present absolutely nothing tomorrow. So yeah, I'm just hoping that I can has some cycles for free. I'm like the cycle beggar. And I know some of you will say, but hey, why don't you get ICP so you can burn for cycle? Trust me, bro. If I could, I would do it. All right. You already know the struggles. I'm making magic happen. All right. Everything around Stellargate right now is magic. Don't even ask how. It's just magic. All right. When some people ask me, how can you do things quickly? I'm not gonna reply, oh, I'm working with Lena, whatever. No, I'm just gonna say, you know what? It's internet magic. How about that? Let's put it that way. If somebody codes so fast that you just don't know how, it's magic. Don't ask why. Magic. So I'm doing magic right now. I'm doing magic with coding. I'm doing magic with finances. I'm doing magic with art. I'm doing magic with the game. I'm doing magic with everything. So it is magic. So yeah, I just I hope I can get that so I can deploy more canisters, because I literally have so many projects now in ICP that it's just ridiculous. And this is on top of the fact that I'm doing Solidity also. So yeah, and let's not forget about Tom, because Phantasma has to deploy at one point, right? Like, they gotta deploy a live chain, hopefully this month. I hope so. And then I can finally release the good news, and then finally we can do stuff on Phantasma as well. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. You know, this is why Lena is so important because without Lena, I will be wrecked. Trust me. Like, I guess I'm not sure if I'm like one of the persons who I know of because I don't know anybody else who actually has a personal AI assistant that has been programmed by that set person who's actually doing code and checking and moderating. I mean, Lena can do much more actually. I just need to program her better and to do more stuff so that I can do less things that I'm unable to do, to be honest. So, oh, look at that. Someone's on our Telegram and they just submitted a proposal. Let's go. That is perfect. I am happy. Yeah, okay, so we have Lena right now on Telegram and she's online so she can basically check proposals and yeah, that's pretty cool. Somebody just sent a proposal right now and it's working. Oh, let's go. There's an error. How is there an error? What did they send? Interesting. I'm gonna have to check that. Dang. I wonder what the error is here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to check that. But anyway, somebody just sent a proposal. I'm gonna tag him quickly and be like, hey, I'm gonna check this. Thank you for submitting. Yeah, this is why it's very important to test things because it will take a lot of work to do these. So let me just quickly send a message. I will be checking this right away. I don't know what the error can be. Um, so I guess actually we can talk about it now, right? Since we have a little bit of time. So if you're on our Telegram, you can submit a what is this called proposals so that we can approve them for when we have the government online. And we somebody said just send a proposal right now, and they're having issues, and I'm trying to figure out why. I'm gonna check quickly the logs. And so basically what I will do is I connect with it to the server, right? Because Lena is actually in the server and she's now on AWS, which is even better actually. Uh, yeah, she's on. Yeah, she's on AWS. Okay, there you go. So basically what happens is that I go in there and I just check quickly the logs to see what's going on, right? And yeah, I'm seeing now kind of like what the problem is, which is very interesting. Basically, it says that it's an invalid file. Why is it an invalid file if it's a .txt? That's very interesting. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to check the code. Lena, why are you giving me problems right now, Lena? This is the time when I need to have less problems, not more problems. So yeah, it'd be like that. Um, so yeah, basically, I guess that's another problem. I guess that I'm gonna have to fix again. And tomorrow, whoops. I'm going to be now talking about future. What are we doing in the future? So future. I would say the closest future is gonna have to be to fix the problems with Nina right now because someone submitted a proposal and we need to have that fixed ASAP. So I'm gonna switch gears quickly and fix that Lena so that the user can send a proposal. It's kind of weird that it says that it's an invalid type. Is it .txt? Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to check that. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that. Then future, super close. I'm gonna be working on ICP because I do need to fix that. Let me check. Okay, I'm gonna have to fix that front end. Yeah, because it's very important. If I'm unable to fix that front end, we have a serious issue tomorrow. Because tomorrow I have to present. So I'm pretty sure I can finish it today. I'm just kind of I might have to roll back actually, to be honest. That's what I'm thinking. It's just a pain in the butt. Like I'm telling you, whenever somebody is coding, like I think rollbacks are like such a thing that you need to do because if you mess up really badly, like you can always come back, right? And by the way, while I'm doing the stream, I'm like answering people. I'm trying to find out because another problem too was like I was trying to find what my wallet address was because in ICP it's a little bit different and I'm not using front end. I'm literally doing everything out of the console in my computer. So I don't use websites. Like I just go on my computer and I get my wallet address, or I interact with the canisters via the console. So that's literally all I do. I don't go to any website. So I'm just trying to figure out how to work with the canisters. Oh, and I guess that's a really cool thing. It's that if you know how a canister works and you just want to do stuff from your console, you can do so. You don't need to go to a website. Like, I mean, the website is a front end, right? But you just kind of don't. Like, if they have a way to for you to kind of work with stuff without the need to go through the front end, then you can just literally call functions. Like, it's super awesome. So yeah, I'm trying to figure out all of that as I go through. But like right now, for example, I'm looking right now and see to get my wallet balances, and like it's literally it has been a journey, to put it that way, because I was thinking there is like this thing called principal in ICP, which is kind of like your address if you were to think about it that way. But also something that I learned is that whenever you go into adapt, you have a different principal. But then something interesting happens, and that is that when I get my wallet on the console, it gives me like this canister. So it's kind of interesting because then basically my wallet is a canister, and if you are working with Motoko, you will know what I mean, because it's like, I don't know. I guess that hasn't been told to me very clearly. Like, is my wallet address a canister or is it not a canister? Right. So if that's the case, then the principle is the principle of the canister, and that's basically the wallet is, people sending stuff to the canister that is supposed to be my identity. Like, it's very strange. Luis Grisola. Hello, Luis. Oh, you're watching. Hello. Hey, I see. Hi, Stellargate. I sent a proposal. I think the problem may be related to formatting. I used to write in RST format, lol. Oh, but don't yeah, I'm not. The thing is, like, you know what? We can check that right now too, since you're here online on live television, because it should work with that rich text file RTF, or it should work with .txt. So let me just quickly open up, actually, and maybe I can show you guys this. I'm not sure if I can though, because I gotta be careful. I don't want to show too much. I gotta be careful. I gotta be careful. Let me see. Maybe I can show you the file, actually, so we can all look at it together and see what's going on here. Let me see if I can just quickly. Gotta be careful. Gotta be careful with what I add. I swear to God, if I add the wrong thing, I'm gonna be really, really, really mad. um, let's see. Add source, new source. Let me just quickly check this. How do I do this online without making sure that I'm not showing stuff that I shouldn't? Wait, hold up, hold up. Let me go into like intermission or something like that. Um, actually, how do I do this without messing myself up? Let me duplicate this. Okay. Okay, perfect. So we're in duplicate now. So now I can go to this one. No, I don't think I can. Dang, I will have to figure out how to do that. Maybe later. All right. I don't wanna do stuff where suddenly I mess up and I show my environment variables. Like, that will be so bad. Like, I will just cry, to be honest. So yeah, anyways, I'm looking at the proposal right now, and I mean, it seems fine, right? Oh, wait. Uh Actually, it's a very good question. Why is it like this? Maybe the Okay, so if you guys want to follow what I'm checking on, basically go on our Telegram and just literally check the .txt file, and you'll see what I mean. Because basically it looks like the hashes are correct and everything is fine. So, Lewis, if you went through the website, like if you actually put the information on the website and you downloaded the .txt file, it should be working, right? So unless you put like extra stuff in there that the AI is thinking like, hey, we might want to do this. So yeah, let me just. I don't think it has to do with that, actually. So All right, now that I download it, um, let me see. I should be able to use it, right? And Finder. Um, I wish I could show you guys this. I promise you, I'm gonna figure out next time to see how I can actually fix it, so that you can actually see what I'm doing. Because I don't want to be showing them. If I show environment variables, it's like, oh, so bad. Like, that's the worst thing I can do. So I sent proposal, and Lena's seeing it now. The same proposal, literally, that Lewis you have sent. I want to see what she says now. Ah, fudge. It says that I can only submit a proposal every 72 hours. So what I'm gonna do, and you can see this now, what developers do is basically I'm gonna be like, all right, well, we're gonna have to delete a couple files, which is kind of sad, but we gotta do it. So right now I'm currently heading into Lena, and just I'm gonna have to reset the we have a database there, and I'm gonna have to reset that so that we can send more files, because right now basically I made it so that you can only submit a proposal every 72 hours, and I submitted one, I think, 2 days ago. So Lena is currently behaving as it should, and she's like, hey, I don't want you to do this again, so I'm gonna have to just quickly delete that. And for those of you who are striving to be developers, I'm doing everything via console. I'm not using a front end. So if you're using, if you're doing, let's say, what is this? If you're planning to create a server so that you can host your stuff in there, um, you gotta just kind of like put everything on the cloud, and then just quickly deploy it from the cloud onwards to your server. I think that's the easiest way to do it. If you don't do that though, you just gotta get like some programs up on your computer so you can deploy it from your computer. So yeah, it'd be like that. So right now I'm doing everything via console, and I'm about to delete this file. So delete. Did it work? Yeah, it did. Okay, perfect. So now we just gotta restart the bot, and we should be good to go. Yeah, Lena, are you alive? Hello. So I use this thing called PM2, which is very good actually. It helps you to manage all your applications when you're on a server. And I'm just making sure that Lena's running fine right now. We have healthy Lena. So let me try and do that proposal again. Hopefully proposal works now. Yes, proposal. Hello. Proposal. Right, I'm doing it again, and let's see what Lena does. Because it's the same .txt file. Oh, no, that's not a problem. Yeah, it's a .txt file. Because I already know the problems that you encountered, Lewis. So I want to see what she tells me via DM. It's a good question, actually. She's still reviewing my stuff. Wow, she's taking a long time. You go into PM2 logs. Meh. Uh, valid type detected. Well, it says at least it's a valid type. So now it's working. Lewis, try to send a proposal again, please. If you're watching this, please. Updates are going great. We can have a look at it. No worries. Oh, no, it's good. It's good. I mean, we can take this time to do things that are. If you guys have if you guys have any questions, or if you have any issues and you're using some of our products, this is the chance to talk it out. Like, I have no problem whatsoever, so it's fine. I think this is the best, because I'm trying to strive for a feedback where, once we have Stellargate fully launched, like, I still want to have this live sessions daily. So if, let's say, a lot of you are having issues, um, I don't think mine passed. Did mine pass? Let me see. No, it hasn't. It hasn't passed, Lewis. It needs some more it provide me feedback into how to fix it. So submit it because it says more information is needed. So when Lena says more information is needed, it means that your proposal needs fixing, and she will send you what needs to be fixed. So yeah, there you go. Okay, nice. You submitted it. Great. Let's see what she says. I'm curious. I'm curious to know what she's saying. Very, very curious. This is why I need another screen, to be honest. Because like, if I had another screen, I could quickly test um if I'm if I'm able to show stuff or not. So all I gotta do right now is that's so interesting. Ah, I know why. I know what's the problem. So what happens is that if you have certain security things on your user, Lena can't send you a DM basically. That's the problem. So I'm gonna have to fix it because I didn't even think about it actually. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Basically, what's happening is that she is unable to send messages to you, Lewis, because you have probably some permissions that need to be bypassed, right? But a bot cannot bypass permissions by a user because that's literally your privacy, right? So you're basically saying I don't want to receive messages from anybody except the people that I know, maybe. And so the bot can't send you messages. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fix it so that instead of sending privately the message, it just puts it in the chat. I think that's a very quick solution to this problem. So I'm gonna do that right after the stream, and you can resubmit again as soon as I ping you. I'm gonna ping you on the Telegram chat, Lewis, so that you can resubmit your proposal again as soon as I fix it. It shouldn't take me too long. It should be fairly quick. Yeah. Oh, is she working fine? Awesome. Okay, so yeah. I'ma have to restart that. So as soon as I ping you, try again because it helps also to kind of debug Lena, right? We want to make sure that she's working well. Yeah. So as soon as I fix it, I'll ping you and you can test it again. Thank you so much for testing Lena because the only way we can make Lena better is by testing and using her. So yeah, it has to be done, right? Um so yeah. Anyways, future working on Lena, I suppose, and then after that working on front end so that we make sure that we're good to go for tomorrow's presentation. If it doesn't work, we can still deploy the canister local and then people can just present the canister local, so that's no problem. Other than that, yeah, if I were to talk about long future, I'm going to probably make some food later so that I make sure that I can be well fed. Anyways, I want to wish you everyone a wonderful good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Keep pushing forward. Don't mind the negative news. We got this. Whack me, right? Whack me, whack me. All right. Take care, everybody. Peace out.